Hi, this is Stacy at Wayside Garage, and today we have a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander that came in for a couple things. Number one, the fan was not working. After doing some tests, we found that the blower motor was defective, and we were able to get the blower motor installed after testing, and the fan is operating properly now. The other thing that we noticed while we were doing our digital inspection is that the transmission fluid was due for service. Looking at it, we can actually test for metal content. We also look at the age and the mileage of the vehicle in order to determine if in fact it is due for service. We did do a transmission fluid exchange along with replacing the filter. That is something that we suggest doing every 3 years or 30,000 miles for the longevity of your vehicle. If you are ready or you're not sure if you need a transmission service, give us a call at 831-899-2425 or schedule your reservation online at www.waysidegarage.com. And my ASE-certified technicians, they're hiding back here, will be happy to inspect for you, perform a health check, make sure that your vehicle is in top running order so that way you can get the most out of your vehicle. And if you are watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe for more maintenance tips. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer for you. Have a great day.